I have never been here before.
Oh, no!
Hi, I'm Stina Hübinette, professional stunt driver, dog lover, and full-time mom. With Mother's Day just around the corner, I'm going to surprise 6 real moms with an awesome adventure in the 2019 Kia Sorento.
Hi, I'm Anne. I'm a stay-at-home mom.
I am a mom to a 2-year-old.
My name is Bianca. I have a little girl. I'm also a second grade teacher. The last time I had a day to myself was a very long time ago.
I don't even know what to expect from the ride, so I'm really excited about it.
My last Mother's Day, I slept till 9. I hope this Mother's Day is a little more adventurous.
Maybe we'll just go here. It's like,
Oh my God!
where are we?
Yes! Woo!
Look at this place.
We're alive! Okay.
This is so crazy. Is this an intervention?
The best part was that rush of exhilaration that came through the car.
When we came to this plateau, it literally felt like a roller coaster. I still have goosebumps. I feel like I can take on the world. Like, what's next?
The ride was great. I hope that the moms are more adventurous now.
Stina is my new hero. This was awesome.